With food, gasoline, and utilities at record highs, it pays to look at ways to economize. Inundated daily with advertising through the media, we often spend more than we need and don't take the time to analyze our spending. We often ignore obvious ways to save just because we're creatures of habit. Too often, this results in high credit card debt. Maybe it's time to test your skills at saving dollars this summer. Look around your residence and answer these questions. Have you replaced your air conditioning or heater filter recently? Do you turn your air conditioning and heating system down or off when away or at night? Do you keep exterior doors and windows closed when running the air conditioning or heater? Do you use natural light instead of electric whenever possible? Have you installed low energy savings light bulbs in your lamps? Do you close window coverings to avoid the heat of the day and open them to add warmth? Do you turn off unnecessary lights whenever you leave a room or your home? If you have ceiling fans, do you use them instead of the air conditioning when appropriate? Do you turn off your computer and/or printer when not in use? Have you replaced old appliances, if you own them, that waste energy with new ones such as a refrigerator, washer, or dryer? Are you careful to turn off appliances when not in use, such as your radio, television, and oven? Do you use less expensive cleaning alternatives rather than the more expensive commercial products? Do you use cold water whenever possible for washing your clothes? Do you avoid constantly running water, such as when you're brushing your teeth? If you have an automated watering system outside, do you program it to prevent overwatering the landscape? Have you ignored any running water or water leaks inside or out? Now, test yourself on your spending habits when you leave home. Do you use alternative means of transportation rather than your car whenever possible, such as walking, riding a bicycle, taking the bus, sharing a ride, or using commuter trains? Do you combine errands and schedule a practical route to save on gasoline? Do you look for discounts when buying gasoline? Do you plan meals and use other means to save at the grocery store, such as shopping sales or using coupons? Do you pack a lunch instead of hitting the fast food venues? Do you shop sales for clothing, appliances, electronics, or other necessities? Millions of Americans are altering their lifestyle because of so many increasing prices. If you answered yes to any of the above questions, you're already working to decrease your spending and at the same time helping to keep the earth green. If you said no, think about what more you can do to save on food, necessities, gasoline, and utilities. Keep your credit card bills low or paid off, another savings. Make it a habit to test yourself every so often and stretch your spending dollars.